Imagine a future where nuclear energy is not only a major player in the global energy mix, but also a beacon of innovation and job creation. This is exactly what's happening in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, with the arrival of Oklo, a nuclear startup that's set to revolutionize the industry. But here's where it gets exciting. Oklo's plans to build a nuclear fuel recycling facility in Oak Ridge promise a whopping $1.68 billion investment and around 800 jobs for Roane County. This is not just a significant boost to the local economy, but also a major step forward in strengthening the American nuclear supply chain. As the fifth company to receive a grant from Tennessee's State Nuclear Fund, Oklo is poised to make a real difference in the industry. So, what exactly does Oklo do? In simple terms, the company is working on advanced microreactors to generate power, and it's also developing fuel recycling technology to build up the American fuel supply. But why is nuclear fuel recycling so important? The answer lies in the fact that almost all nuclear fuel, a staggering 95%, isn't split for energy. By reusing fuel, we could shift the economics of the nuclear game and make it a more viable option for meeting our energy needs. And this is the part most people miss. The nuclear fuel supply is a topic of strong national interest, with the federal government actively seeking companies to join a new supply chain group aimed at cutting fuel dependence on other countries. Now, you might be wondering when the Oklo facility will come online and where it will be located. According to Oklo CEO Jacob DeWitt, the recycling plant will start operating by the early 2030s in Oak Ridge's Heritage Park on former K-25 land. The facility will sit on 247 acres, and executives are in talks with local officials about transferring the land. But here's the controversial part. While some might argue that nuclear energy is the way forward, others might raise concerns about safety and environmental impact. So we have to ask, is nuclear energy the answer to our growing energy demands, or are there other alternatives we should be exploring? As Oklo benefits from Tennessee's nuclear fund, joining the likes of the University of Tennessee at Knoxville and Roane State Community College, we have to consider the implications of this investment. Will it pave the way for a new era of nuclear innovation, or will it raise more questions than answers? We want to hear from you. Do you think nuclear energy is the future, or do you have concerns about its safety and environmental impact? Let us know in the comments. As we move forward in this new era of nuclear energy, it's essential to have an open and honest discussion about the pros and cons. So let's get the conversation started.